also we are saying that most animals have anterior and posterior end with oral and anal opening. Kwa hawa organism ambao wanapatikana ndani ya hii kingdom Animalia, they possess anterior and the posterior end, meaning that the oral and the anal opening. Oral inamaanisha kwamba mdomoni, na pia they have this anal opening for removing of the fecal material. So also we are saying that the kingdom Animalia is divided into 5 selected phyla. So according to the history of this kingdom Animalia, kuna about 7 phylum ambazo zimegundulika ndani ya hii kingdom Animalia. But according to your level, my student, you as a form 4, you as a form 5 and form 6, you have to know this phyla, these 5 phyla which are found in this kingdom this kingdom Animalia. So my student, the first phylum which is found in this kingdom Animalia, it is called the Platyhelminthes. The second phylum, it is called the Nematoda, or we call it Ascalminthes. The third one, it is called the Annelida. And the fourth one, it is called the Arthropoda. And the fifth one, it is called the Chordata. So according to your level, you have to know these phylum which are found in the kingdom Animalia. So we are going to discuss one after another. So tutaanza kuanzia kwenye kingdom, kwenye phylum ya Platyhelminthes mpaka tutafika kwenye phylum Chordata. So my student, I need your attention so that we can move together and you will understand, because this subtopic ambayo tumeita ni kingdom Animalia, it is very interesting a subtopic kwa sababu most of this organism we are familiar with it. So you will understand. So my student, keep listening and keep watching. You will understand one after another phylum. So my student, here in our today's session, we will start looking on the little bit introduction on the phylum Platyhelminthes. So before we are moving on the explanation on what is the phylum Platyhelminthes and the organisms that are contained within this phylum Platyhelminthes, firstly we have to know the organisms which are found within this phylum Platyhelminthes. So you know those organisms by looking on this picture. So my student, here we have seen that we have these flatworms. So another name of the kingdom Platyhelminthes, the phylum Platyhelminthes wanaitwa flatworms. So flatworms na Platyhelminthes are the same thing. Kwa our organism wanapatikana kwenye kingdom Animalia. So examples of these organisms which are found in this phylum Platyhelminthes here, my student, we have Planalia, we have flukes, and we have tapeworms. So here, this one is the class Tubellaria. As you can see, this one is the Tubellaria. And also we have class Trematoda, and this one is the class Trematoda. And the last one we have this class Cestoda, and this one is a good example of organism ambayo inapatikana kwenye Cestoda, and an example here we have that tapeworms, ndio ambayo inapatikana kwenye hii class Cestoda. So my student, those are the flatworms or Platyhelminthes phylum that is found in this kingdom Plantae. So we are going to see the little bit introduction, and we are moving further. As we are moving further, we will learn the advantages, the general characteristics, the distinctive, even the structures which are found in this phylum Platyhelminthes. So my student, let's keep watching this our media. So we are starting looking on the phylum Platyhelminthes. So what is it now? Here we are saying that this is the group of flatworms. The worms can be freely living or parasites. One of the best known example of flatworms is the tapeworm. Here, before we are moving further, you have to know that this organism ambao wanapatikana ndani ya hii phylum Platyhelminthes, they are parasite. But also we have other organisms which are free living. And a good example of organism ambayo inapatikana ndani ya hii phylum Platyhelminthes ni very common, tunamuita tapeworm. Kwa sababu gani tunaita flatworms? Hii flatworms tunasema kwamba how organism they are flat. Ukiangalia kwa juu ambayo tunaita dorsal and ventral, they are flat. Ndio maana tunawaita flatworms. So organism wote wanaopatikana ndani ya hii phylum Platyhelminthes ya flatworms. So that is all. So here you have to know these organisms which are found in this group, they are wormsy, they are parasite, all others they are free living. So when we are moving further, you will know organisms which are free living, and you will know the organisms which are parasite. So let's first see the general characteristics of this organism which are called the Platyhelminthes. What are the characteristics that are found within this organism? The first characteristics here, my student, we are saying that they are dorsoventrally flattened and some are unsegmented worms. So most of them have mouth and gut with no anus. So hapa tunamaanisha nini? Hawa organism wote wanaopatikana ndani ya hii phylum ya Platyhelminthes, they are flatworms. So meaning that they are dorsoventrally flat. Kwa ukiangalia kwa juu na kwa chini kote wanakuwa ni flat. Na ndio maana tunawaita ni flatworms. Pia apart from that tunasema kwamba they are unsegmented worms. Kwa maana kwamba hawana zile segment. Kwa maana kwamba hawajajikatakata. Wenyewe tu wanakuwa ni flat moja kwa moja, yani hawana vipengele au vipingili hawana hawa organism. And tunasema kwamba apart from that also we have this character that they have only mouth and the gut, but they do not have anus. They do not have anus. So this organism wana sehemu tu ya kulia ambayo ni mouth na sehemu ya kustore food. So they do not have anus, so that they cannot remove a fecal material. And another characteristics here, we are saying that they have a phloem cells in the mesoderm for excretion and osmoregulation. How do these organisms excrete? These organisms, they excrete because of possession of these phloem cells. The phloem cells which are possessed within this organism ndio ambayo inawasaidia hawa organism kwa ajili ya process nzima ya excretion, utoaji taka mwili na kufanya osmoregulation, balancing the amount of fluid within their body. We have another characteristics, and this is they are hermaphrodites with a complex reproductive system which prevents self-fertilization but favors cross-fertilization. What is this hermaphrodites? Hermaphrodites meaning that within the same organism anakuwa na both sexes, kwa maana kwamba anakuwa na male part na female part kwenye mwili mmoja. Hiyo ndiyo maana ya hermaphrodites. Sasa hii hermaphrodites, apart from being a male and a female part within the same body, hawawezi wakafanya self fertilization, kwa maana kwamba they have a structure ambayo ina prevent this self fertilization, but it favor cross fertilization, meaning that within the reproduction process to occur, they need two organisms so that they can facilitate the fertilization process to occur very easily in this organism. Apart from that, we have another characteristics, and we are saying that they are triploblastic acoelomate animals which have 3 body layers, that is ectoderm, endoderm, and mesoderm, without a body cavity or coelom. These organisms are acoelomate. Tukisema acoelomate, meaning that they lack cavity within their body. Hamna uwazi kwenye mwili wao. That is, they lack coelom within their body. But also we have said that they are triploblastic, And we have seen this triploblastic in the characteristics of the kingdom Animalia. So this organism tunasema kwamba they are triploblastic, meaning that they have ectoderm, endoderm together with the mesoderm. That is triploblastic. The word tri here meaning that 3 layers that is found within their body. Lastly, we can say that some have cilia on their outer surface for locomotion. For example, planalia. Others have cilia in the larva stage. For example, we have this Melasidium larva in the flukes, but lack cilia in the adult stage. Organisms that are found in this phylum Platyhelminthes, they possess a cilia. You know the function of cilia is for movement. So this organism, they use the cilia for locomotion or for movement. A good example here, we have this planalia that they possess a cilia for locomotion, for moving from one place to another. But not all organisms that are found within this phylum Platyhelminthes, they possess cilia. Kuna wengine wanakuwa wana zile cilia in during their developmental stages. Kwa hiyo ikifika kwenye stage fulani, hizi cilia zinaondoka within their body. So a good example here, we have this Melasidium larva. This Melasidium larva in the fluke, liver fluke. So pale kwenye ile larva stage ndipo ambapo anapossess hiyo cilia for the locomotion and the movement. So my student, after we have seen the briefly introduction of the Platyhelminthes or flatworms, I would like to welcome you in the next session. Also, we are going to discuss on the general characteristics of the Platyhelminthes, and we are moving further. We will see other structures which are found in this phylum Platyhelminthes. So by saying so, thank you for following us, Educator TZ, and bye bye. Have a nice moment.